hearing it over there. She's like, where is it coming from?
Hi. Can you say hi? Can you say bye-bye for me? Can you wave bye-bye? Can you wave bye-bye? Bye-bye. Yeah. Can you say patty cake, patty cake? Can you clap? Can you go patty cake, patty cake?
She's distracted.
Charlotte! Can you go patty cake, patty cake? Oh, you're so cute. You're so cute. Can you say patty cake, patty cake? Can you clap for me? Patty cake. I was thinking about it. Patty cake, patty cake. Baker man. Baker cake. Patty cake, patty cake. Baker man. Can you do patty cake?
He paid $6,099 rather than $7,001.
Yeah.
Patty cake, patty cake. Oh, I don't want to do it because I want to open the drawer and get all. Yep, and put everything I can. Oh, go, go, go.